Alright, we're going to move on to number 3. And I'm going to do this a little bit different than the last video, where I had like 2 different videos for the honors and then the regular classes. I'm just going to graph it how the honors students would, and the regular classes need to realize that you would put these on separate coordinate planes. So take each of your inequalities, you'll graph them, and you'd put them on separate coordinate planes. But honors, you just put them on the same one. So we're going to do that first. We're going to graph our first one, and we're going to put it in red. That has a y-intercept of -2. That's the point, the number in the equation not with the x, and has a slope of 1/4. That's a rise of 1, a run of 4. So go up 1, right 4, and you can get another point. Now I have 2 points. I can draw my line. Look closely at your inequality symbol. It is greater than or equal to. The or equal to means we can do a solid line. So do that. Draw a solid line. And now we need to decide which side, above or below, that gets graphed, that gets shaded. If you're not sure, pick a point, something like 0, 0, and put it into the equation. You put it right in there. If it gives you a true statement, you're going to shade that direction. So 0 goes in for y, 0 goes in for x, and then the subtract 2 is there. Well, 1/4 times 0 gives you 0. 0 minus 2 is -2. So the right side is just -2. 0 is greater than or equal to -2. Since that is true, we're going to shade this direction, this side of the line. Okay, now that's done. We're going to graph the other inequality. If you're in a regular class, you're going to put this on a separate coordinate plane, but we're just going to put them both on one to kind of save on time and uploading multiple videos, which is a lot of work. So this second equation has a y-intercept of +1. So I'm going to go to +1, put a nice little point there. And it has a slope of 2, so I'm going to go up 2, right 1. Up 2, right 1. Up 2, right 1. Okay. Whoops, that was a horrible dot. So up 2, right 1, up 2, right 1. Okay, get some points down, and now it's ready to be graphed. Look at your inequality. It is just greater than. Since it's greater than and not equal to, you're going to do a dashed line. Oh, those are looking horrible. Okay, you're going to have a dashed line. Your line keeps going. Make sure your line keeps going. Clear the edge there. Okay, now we need to decide which side gets shaded. You don't always have to pick 0, 0 for your point to test. You can pick a point like 1, 0. If you do that, plug it into your inequality. Here, y is 0, but x is going to be 1. You're going to get 2 times 1 plus 1. The right side there, 2 times 1 is 2. Add the 1 because it's going to give you 3. Is 0 greater than 3? It is not. So you're going to shade the side that doesn't have the point you just tested. You're going to shade the other direction. Okay, ta-da! So that's how things are shaded. If you're in the honors classes, the part that's part of your solution is any part that got shaded twice. So that's this region here, by the way. And that should be it for number 3.